Okay, so when we're dividing polynomials, we're going to divide first term of the dividend, which is this one, this term here, by the first term of divisor. Okay, so if you divide it, see 2x cubed over x is just going to be 2x squared. And you will put that where the quotient is. So the quotient is right about the dividend. So you will put that over here. And then multiply this with the divisor. So 2x squared now will be multiplied with the divisor like that. And then distribute this. So that's going to be 2x squared. So 2x cubed here, right? And then minus 4x squared. And now I'm subtracting this from the top, right? And when you're subtracting, you will just change the sign of each term. So go ahead and change the sign of each term here. So make this minus, make this plus. Therefore, when you combine them, this is just going to be 0, so they cancel each other. And here is negative 4 plus 4, and they both have x squared, so they also cancel each other. Now you have other two terms left, so you will just bring it down. So bring this down, 3x, bring this guy down, negative 6, and then repeat the process one more time until the degree of the remainder is strictly less than degree of the divisor. Divisor is this guy, right? Okay, now we're again doing the same thing. Take the first term of the new polynomial and divide it by the first term of divisor. So that's 3x over x. X cancels out, so you get 3. Then you will just put a plus 3 right here, and then multiply 3 with the divisor. So 3 times x plus 2, distribute the 3, so you'll get 3x. You'll get 3x plus 6. Now go ahead and change the sign again. So make that minus and make that minus. So these two cancels each other. Now I have minus 6 on top, that's this. And then another minus 6 on the bottom right here. When you combine them, you will get negative 12. And this is the remainder. This is remainder. And what's up here is the quotient. So the polynomial you get up here is called the quotient. So when you write it, you will do like this. So this will equal to quotient first. Quotient is 2x squared plus 3 times remainder. Remainder is this guy right here, negative 12, divided by divisor, and divisor is this guy right here. So that's what you will get out of this dividing this polynomial. So the remainder is 0 is the ideal case. And if the remainder is 0, then the quotient and the divisor are both going to be factor of the polynomial, and the polynomial is this. This is our polynomial, and if remainder is 0, then the divisor and the quotient will be factors of this polynomial. So in this case, it kind of split. It'll kind of write it as an improper fraction. It's not really useful, but in some instances, it will be useful. But remainder equal to 0 is the most useful case for us, and that's probably the most important reason why we're dividing these polynomials.